The iData project brings you a very brief introduction to the electromagnetic spectrum.
So the electromagnetic spectrum is just a fancy word for light, really. But light comes in many, many different kinds, and we can only see a very, very small part of it with our eyes. So there's visible light, which is, the colors of the rainbow are light of different wavelengths. But there's also light that has much longer wavelengths, like radio waves. There's light that has much shorter wavelengths, which is X-rays. So there's actually many kinds of light. And this is pretty crucial for doing all astronomy, because this is just about the only tool we have to understand what's out there in space. Here is our spectrum. You can see all the different wavelengths of light. What I do mostly is use the visible and infrared wavelengths to try to look at that light coming from galaxies and try to figure out how they work. And this light is really our only tool to try to understand these galaxies. We can't poke them with sticks or design experiments to spin them around and see what they do. Really all we have is the light that comes from them. So we need to understand this electromagnetic spectrum in order to understand anything out there in space. How would you explain this spectrum if you couldn't see this?